friends, Varsha Pravesh chart or Tajika chart or Tithi Pravesh chart is something which is not existent, or even if it exists, people don't know how to use it. Now, everybody is born in a particular time. According to the time, the next year's Tithi Pravesh and the Tajika chart is calculated. So the entire Dasa period is also compressed for 365 days, and the chart which comes out will tell you how a year, a new year or whatever it is, based on your birth time, how the year will be calculated. Hi, this is Jayashree Astrologer. Here I am going to talk to you how you can read your entire year's horoscope using Tajika chart or the Tithi Pravesh chart. People these days use mostly the Jupiter transit, Saturn transit. Okay, that will give you a fair idea to some extent. But there is one chart called Tajika chart and the Tithi Pravesh chart. Now in Tajika chart, if you are born at 4:35 a.m., according to that time period, the next year like 2022 will be calculated. So when it is calculated, even the month in which you are born, based on that also the Tajika chart will be calculated. It will get you your year's horoscope. Now if suppose your Saturn in the Tajika chart changes to Kumbha, then the Mars will be correspondingly in some other place, because it acts depending upon the date and the time. And in that Tajika chart, you can read the entire years, how your career will be, how your finance will be, the marriage life, if children are there, whether you will be able to settle the children, whether children will be all right with you. Everything you can read like a normal chart. This Varsha Pravesh chart was first initialized or created by the Muslims, but then it slowly became they wanted to know what is it, how the year will be. So this Muslim form of reading the year's prediction moved into astrology, where based on the birth timing and based on your birth tithi, we are able to calculate. Now in this Tajika chart, you will also have the Dasa period, which will compress to 1 year, which is 365 days. So based on your birth timing and the birth date, the chart is very accurate, where I have done prediction for a lot of people, and it was like called as an annual prediction itself. It was one of an important product. So where in annual prediction we will use the Tajika chart to tell about their entire year's lot of prediction, lot of aspects of life. Now if you take the Tithi Pravesh, based on your Tithi, the chart will be created, and with the chart we will do how the coming years will be, how the coming months for a particular year will be, and what are the different aspects of life, how it's going to be. All the predictions can be given with this Tithi Pravesh chart. So if you want to know how your 2022 will be, we can use the Tajika chart and really tell you the prediction about your career, your finance life, your marriage, and even your vehicle and housing, travel, everything you can read like a normal astrological chart. Now it has been so accurate that once I used to write the chart, Tajika chart, I used to write the annual prediction. So it became a norm that the same person used to started giving me the annual prediction, because he knew that it was so accurate, more accurate than the Jupiter transit, because Jupiter is going to stay in one place for 1 year. So the time period we will not know. But with the Tajika chart, after every few months there is going to be a Dasa change, because the Dasa is compressed for 120 days. So he could see the change of the career, how it twisted and turned, and how things moved as the Dasa period changed every few months. So it became a norm for him to subscribe for the annual chart. So friends, for you, if you want to know the 2022 how it will be, use the Tajika chart or the Tithi Pravesh chart. I will be glad to help you. So you can take a direct consultation or online consultation to know about your 2022 using Tajika chart. If you like the video, please subscribe for the video and also share the video with your friends. Thank you.